Are you tired of the daily grind and dreaming of financial freedom? Imagine waking up each day knowing that money is flowing into your bank account without you lifting a finger. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, what if I told you that generating $1,000 a day in passive income is not just a fantasy, but an achievable goal? In this video, I'm going to reveal 6 powerful ideas that can turn your dreams of financial independence into a reality. Get ready to unlock the secrets of passive income and discover the path to making $1,000 a day without the need for a traditional 9-to-5 job. If you're ready to learn more about this exciting opportunity, make sure to watch this video until the end. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like this. Let's dive in. Today, we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of passive income. If you're new to the concept, let me give you a brief rundown. Passive income is the key to breaking free from the shackles of trading your time for money. It's a way to generate revenue consistently, even when you're not actively working. Imagine waking up to money flowing into your bank account while you enjoy life's precious moments or pursue your passions. Remember, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme or a magic formula. Building passive income takes effort, dedication, and strategic thinking. But with the right mindset and the ideas we're about to share, you can create a life of abundance, where your money works for you instead of the other way around. So, let's dive right in and start this transformative journey together. 1. Dividend stocks. Investing in stocks is a fantastic way to start generating passive income, and it's simpler than you might think. Imagine this: you become a stakeholder in a company, and just by owning their stock, you start receiving regular payouts. These stocks are known as dividend stocks. They are the golden ticket to earning passive income from the stock market. So, how does it work? Let's break it down with an example. Let's say you own 30 shares of a company that pays a $2 annual dividend per share. That means you would receive $60 a year, simply for holding those 30 shares. And the best part? You don't have to lift a finger to earn that money. Now, let's address one of the burning questions you might have: how much effort does it take to start generating passive income with dividend stocks? All you need is a brokerage account and some capital to invest. Speaking of brokerage accounts, one of the best options out there is Webull. It's a user-friendly platform that allows you to easily invest in dividend stocks and kickstart your passive income journey. But remember, if you want those dividend stocks to pay you, you need to invest money in them. The more you invest, the higher your dividend payouts will be. It's a simple equation: the bigger the investment, the larger the return. 2. Starting a podcast. Starting a podcast is another exciting avenue for generating passive income. If you're already familiar with creating content on YouTube, you'll find that podcasts operate in a similar fashion, offering a balance between active work and passive income. Starting a podcast requires some initial effort on your part. You'll need to invest time in recording episodes, searching for engaging guests, and brainstorming captivating themes that will resonate with your audience. However, once your podcast is produced and out in the world, it can continue earning you money without requiring any additional work from you. Just like starting a YouTube channel with nothing more than your phone, launching a podcast is incredibly accessible. You only need some basic audio gear and a hosting service to get started. Surprisingly, the cost of audio equipment is much lower than most people assume. You can find a decent microphone for around $70, which can significantly improve the audio quality of your podcast. When it comes to hosting services, there are affordable options available, such as Buzzsprout, and even a free option like Anchor. These services ensure that your podcast gets distributed to various platforms like Spotify and Apple Podcasts, maximizing your reach and potential earnings. Starting a podcast is as easy as a few simple steps, and the hosting service takes care of the technical aspects for you. 3. Affiliate marketing. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it can be done with or without a YouTube channel, TikTok account, or any other online following. People all around the world are successfully engaging in affiliate marketing every day. However, if you already have a following on other social media platforms, incorporating affiliate marketing becomes even more seamless and lucrative. But what exactly is affiliate marketing? Simply put, it's the practice of promoting someone else's brand or service in exchange for payment or commission. Let me illustrate it with an example. Imagine I have a website dedicated to offering website layouts for a popular WordPress page builder plugin called Elementor. On my website, I include a prominent link that reads "Try Elementor Pro." When visitors click on that link, they are redirected to the official Elementor website, where they can purchase the Pro edition of the plugin. And here's the exciting part: every time someone uses my affiliate link to make a purchase, Elementor pays me a generous commission, let's say 50% of the purchase price. So, on a $100 purchase, I would receive a commission of $50. That's money in my pocket simply for referring customers. The fantastic thing about affiliate marketing is that almost every company and business online has some form of affiliate program, even if it's not explicitly promoted on their website. Companies like Skillshare and Amazon, for example, have well-established affiliate programs that reward you with a set amount of money for each individual who signs up using your affiliate link. With affiliate marketing, the earning potential is limitless. The more you promote products or services that align with your audience's interests, the greater your chances of generating substantial passive income. 4. Membership community. Platforms like Patreon or even programs like OnlyFans can serve as great examples of this concept. Setting up a membership community on platforms like these is surprisingly simple, especially if you don't want to build an entire website from scratch. All you need to do is visit the website, register, and you're on your way. Similar to other passive income ideas we've discussed, having an existing audience can greatly simplify the process of building a membership community. If you already have a dedicated following, you can leverage their interest and offer them added value by directing them to sign up for your membership community. For example, let's say you cook delicious meals at home and share free content on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. You can use these platforms to drive traffic to your Patreon page or an exclusive fans page. Imagine if just 10 people sign up for your Patreon at $10 per month, you're now earning $100 per month in passive income. And that's just the beginning. On your Patreon or membership page, you can provide exclusive access to behind-the-scenes content, such as tutorials on how you make your mouth-watering recipes. This added value entices your audience to join your membership community, where they can gain special insights and enjoy unique perks. Creating a membership community allows you to connect more deeply with your audience, provide them with exclusive content, and cultivate a loyal and supportive community around your passion or expertise. The beauty of this model is that your members contribute a recurring monthly fee, offering you a consistent stream of passive income. 5. Digital products. Digital products offer a vast array of opportunities to generate passive income. From photography and music to ebooks, printables, and presentation templates, the possibilities are endless. Unlike physical products that require production, shipping, inventory management, and all the logistics that come with it, digital products eliminate those hassles entirely. With digital assets, you don't need to worry about physical manufacturing or storing inventory. Instead, you can focus on creating valuable content that can be sold repeatedly, generating passive revenue. Let's consider an example like selling Squarespace templates on platforms like Etsy. Once you develop those templates, you only need to create them once, and then you can hypothetically sell them over and over again. This means that the effort you put into creating the templates becomes a valuable asset that can continue to generate passive income for you. The beauty of digital products lies in their scalability. Once you've created your digital asset, whether it's a beautiful ebook, a captivating music track, or a functional template, you can sell it to an unlimited number of customers without any additional effort on your part. With the right marketing strategy and effective platforms to showcase your digital products, you can reach a global audience and tap into a steady stream of passive income. 6. Online courses. Selling online courses has emerged as a distinct and powerful passive income idea. There are two primary ways to sell online courses. The first method involves building an audience on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and other social media channels. By cultivating a loyal following and creating a course tailored to their interests and needs, you can offer it directly to your audience. This approach capitalizes on the trust and engagement you've developed, making it highly effective in driving course sales. However, if you don't have an established online audience, fear not. Platforms like Skillshare and Udemy provide an opportunity to sell your courses to their existing user base. These course marketplaces receive millions of monthly visits, offering immense exposure for your educational content. Now, let's address the burning question: how much upfront work is required to create and sell online courses? Crafting high-quality courses on a specific topic demands significant initial effort. However, once your course is created and launched, the process becomes exponentially easier. Consider this: Skillshare states that teachers on their platform can earn between $200 and $3,000 per month on average, surpassing the $100 threshold we aim for. In conclusion, these 6 ideas have unveiled the potential of generating $1,000 a day in passive income. Which idea resonated with you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and strategies to unlock your financial freedom.